Boehringer Ingelheim has partnered with Ashoka to support Gernot Jochum Muller, promoter of the social enterprise Zeitpolster, Dornbirn and Vienna, Austria. This collaboration is part of Boehringer Ingelheim's initiative focused on social entrepreneurship and health. In Europe, the increase in life expectancy, combined with shortage of nursing staff, makes management of the dependent elderly more and more difficult.
Today, the problem is that we don't find enough people on a paid or voluntary basis to care for the elderly.
In order to allow the elderly to be able to live as long as possible in their own environment, this social entrepreneur has developed a time pension system. He is now developing a new time pension system in Austria. To do this, he has created a form of decentralized organization.
It is about leisure activity, household tasks, providing help for simple things, or it can be admin tasks. What's written in this letter? How do I understand it? The person assisted pays €8 per hour. Half of it compensates our organization's work, and the other half goes into an emergency account as an additional guarantee. And if in 15 to 20 years no one can be found to help the former caregiver, we can have these financial means to support this person, at least in part.
In Austria, where this system has just been launched, a pilot group worked for the first 100 hours of assistance. 10 other groups are currently forming. In 2019, there will be 20 groups.
What we see is that two people get together very rapidly. One person regularly takes care of another, and many relationships can develop, which also helps us develop. I believe that in our model, both people are very happy. Some are because they find a task that offers them a lot in return, and others are happy because they are well taken care of and because he or she is a person who really has time. In this launch phase, we need funding for the first 5 years. We already have some funding, as in Vienna for example, and we're still seeking grants or investors to financially support this project. Our aim is that we can then repay them and become our own investor. In fact, in 4 to 5 years, we expect to be self-financing and be able to repay all of our investments.
Erreichen wir quasi auch die Selbstfinanzierung und können dann auch die investierten Mittel zurückbezahlen. Ganz spannend ist, dass die Menschen...
What is particularly interesting is that people who think about and care about this issue respond very positively to this model.
Wir arbeiten, weil wir die Anfragen...
As we have lots of requests, we are already working on a social franchise model that we intend to share throughout Europe so that it can be developed and so that in the future anyone can have the opportunity to have their own time pension.
Zeitpension für alle möglich wird.
Boehringer Ingelheim is proud to welcome this social entrepreneur into the Making More Health initiative in partnership with Ashoka.